Alright guys, today we're doing an instant pot recipe. So I have some chicken thighs here that I need to use up, and I have an onion, and I'm going to be using this as a base for my chili. So, and I do have extra chickpeas that I will also put in. So yeah, so I'm going to cut up some carrots, add some extra onions, gonna make it a little bit more heartier, and then yeah. Alright guys, so everything's in there now. You can see there's carrots on the side, there's the chicken right there, the rice is in there, so it's gonna be pretty hearty. This is the base that I'm using, so that's gonna melt in and flavor it all up. So alright, yep. So it's all done here, so we're gonna do a quick taste test. There we go. So it's actually pretty good. It's gotten a lot of flavor from the broth, so yeah, it's actually definitely check it out, guys. When you mix it all in, it's a lot heartier. It gives it a nice broth that can actually meld like the chicken and everything else with it. So definitely check it out. And yes, I am the only one that eats this. All right, stay tuned for more videos, guys.